Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is Monday, the 3rd of November. I hope you're all doing well, hope you're all crushing it, and you had a phenomenal weekend. Let me know really quick, what happened over the weekend? How did you do in terms of your private life? Cool weekend, bad weekend, medium weekend, normal weekend? What happened? Let me know, everybody. Good morning, Leah. Good morning, Funnel Folds. Good morning, Rick. Good morning, Bitcoin. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Gene. Good morning, Matey. Good morning, Marco, Steven, Ozempic, Adror, Joseph, Roki, Roy, Rolf24, Farendin. Good morning, everybody. Hope you are doing well. Who has traded already in the Grand Cup, guys? Who has traded in the Grand Cup already? What has happened so far? I'm currently in a trade in a GC long, looking pretty good. So let's see where this takes us. But let's look at what the market gives us for today, what it's looking like, bias, etc. And then let's get started. As a quick reminder, Zero to Hero Challenge account currently at $51,389. Hopefully we can pass that this week. Let's see. Last week was a good week, 100% win rate. Pretty crazy. All right, NQ here. We have market open coming up in 1 minute and 50 seconds. On the daily, comparing it to Friday. I mean, Friday was an inside candle, right? Today so far, we have made a little bit of an upwick and are now moving lower. We're currently sitting at around the daily open level, which is the weekly open and also the monthly open. November has started, so welcome to November, everybody. On the hourly, we can see that very well, right? We pushed up, came right back down, and are now sitting around that level. So no clear direction for today. However, since we made an upwick, maybe we push further down. Let's see. That's usually how it goes on NQ. But no clear bias, no clear direction for me at this point. Asia low is sitting at 26,013. And then we have Asia high sitting at 26,123, just above this Friday wick right here. So let's see. Rick, you also took the first trade, GC long. Nice. I'm almost at my target one. My target one is 4,039.1 and target two is 4,044.7 on that GC long. So let's see where this takes us. ES is moving in sync with NQ right now, so nothing special there. Asia low has been established just about, is that like 10 minutes ago? Asia high sitting at 6899, so almost at the 900 level, which is certainly an interesting level for us. Let's see, let me check the chat. Leah says, I'm not saying anything. Not saying anything. All right, that's cool. I mean, I'm not going to share my trades for the Grand Cup live either. I'm going to let you know my standings every now and then, but I'm not going to share my trades live. Maybe sometimes I will. I don't know yet. But gold's pushing up nicely, which I like. Bull Invest, you're not in the Grand Cup yet. Yes, you still have time to sign up. You can't join the team anymore, but you can still sign up until November 7th. By the way, before I forget, ding, 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 the London session has opened. Dominic says, I thought we were a team. Funnel Fold says, come on, Nick, what? Yeah, well, okay. You want me to share my trades? I can share my trades, but they're going to be aggressive, okay? They're going to be very, 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 very aggressive, my trades. Right now, I'm in 2 gold minis, actually. My entry was, I have it on my phone here. My entry was 4,027.9. Target is 39.1 for 1 mini. And then the other one, 4,044.7. I'm currently at break even with my stop, so worst case, I start out from zero again. All right, I'll share it, guys. Chill. Chill out. All right, let's see. What's Platinum doing? PO. This is my first trade, by the way, on in the Grand Cup. And by the way, everybody who is worried about being about the people that are already at 17,000 in profit. 2 things about that. Number one, some people have traded with more than 2 minis. It is possible. Tradeify will allow you to, however, if you trade with more than 2 minis, you will get reset to 0. So it could be that some of these people that are already sitting at $17,000, $15,000, $10,000 profit, they will get reset to zero. Okay, keep that in mind. Number 2, don't aim for number 1 in the first week. Don't aim for number 1. The only thing you need to aim for is top 200. Even if you're the 200th person, that's sufficient. Don't aim for number 1, because that is what kills accounts. That is why people will blow up. So our strategy, Team TV strategy, should be that we aim to be in the top 200 and nothing more than that. Aim for like 150. Cool. Nothing more than that. Don't worry about the top 10. Don't worry about the people bragging on Twitter. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you're in the top 200. Everything else, forget about it. All right? That's the only thing. Dominic says, I'm going for the top spot next. Sorry. Well, I'm going for the top spot too in the end. But the first strategy is just be in the top 200. You're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. Because the live session starts out with fresh new accounts. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have like $10 million in profit in the first round. All right, we're approaching target 1 here on gold. I like that. I like that. Currently up $1,800 on that trade. So let's see where it takes us. By the way, as you can see on the thumbnail, Celine was scheduled for today. We had everything ready. And then literally like about 20 minutes before the show, our producer said, hey, the software fucked up and he can't add us. So we're getting closer to having Celine on as a co-host. Don't worry. Don't worry. Tarak says 150 is 4K, 200 is 3,399 right now. Yeah. That's cool, but also keep in mind people will blow up, right? You obviously will need a proper balance. You will need to make proper money to be in the top 200, but don't worry about being first or anything. Actually, let's look at the leaderboard right now. For those of you who didn't know, you can always see the leaderboard by going to tradeify.co/leaderboard. As you can see, the current leader is at 18,300, which again, I don't care about that. I care about being in the top 200. If we go to the top 200 here, I think that's page like 4 or 5. Oh no, it's actually further down the road. Was it like 10 maybe? Let's see. What are people doing? It's so cool to see this leaderboard though. Keep in mind, guys, this leaderboard gets updated every 10 minutes or so. So that's pretty cool. All right, so top 200 is on page 11. Yeah, page 11. Cool. So currently, the 200th place has $3,399 in profit. That's completely doable. That is so doable. All right, keep that in mind. Gold still pushing up, which I like. I like to see that. NQ holding this daily open level. London low sitting at... What's that? Wait, no, can't be. That is wrong. London hasn't even opened at that time. Ah, there we go. All right, gold about to hit my first TP here. Currently up 2 grand. Jolin is asking, what if I trade 2 mini on NQ and then open 1 mini on GC? Is that allowed? No. No. Max 2 minis open at the same time across all instruments. Keep that in mind. says the rules are clear, 2 minis or 10 micros. Some of them go both or heavier. At the end of the day, a good part of them will be disqualified. Nick, is this true? Yes, absolutely. They won't be disqualified, but they will be reset to 0. So they start again. It's not going to do anything good for them. Oh, we almost hit our first TP here on gold. So close. So close. That would be nasty if it turns around here. That would be nasty. My TP is sitting here at 39.1. Damn. I'm gonna close one here. Do not want to get missed. Ah, shit. That was so close. Okay, let me move my stop into to break even. So realized profit on the Grand Cup account so far is 800, no, $900. $920 realized. Nice. At least that. If I get stopped out break even, I'm still up almost 1,000. Nilay, what time does the US open now that DST is in effect? Normal as usual, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Hey, what's up, Vince? No worries. Good morning, Taco Trader. Good morning. All right. What else we got? What else we got? Chat. Any questions? Don't like that push down on gold. But also, worst case, I get stopped out break even on the second contract, so whatever. Also, guys, we crushed 58,700 subscribers. Hell yeah. Well done. Everybody who's new here, welcome to Tradeify TV. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let's see. Priya, my biggest payout in one payout was 55,000. 55k, 20 accounts. Surab, yep, that's correct. That is correct. By the way, guys, we need 365 likes today to do a 50k growth account giveaway. So make sure you smash that like button. We're currently only sitting at 75 likes. We need 290 more. 290 more, 365, and we're gonna do our first giveaway of the day. Suriluki, New York opens 3:30 my time now. 3:30, but the stream starts at 2:30. Well, by the way, guys, what was this weird 4-hour candle? My God. On Friday, what the hell was that? So weird. Rarely see everything and anything like that usually. But hey, it is what it is. Idris, hi Nick, are you still continuing with the 0 to Hero challenge considering you're in the Grand Cup? Absolutely. Of course I'm continuing with the challenge. As said, we're currently at 51,389. The main thing I'm going to trade on stream is the 0 to Hero challenge account. Obviously, I copy trade that to my 5 150k funded accounts. And also I trade the Grand Cup. With Grand Cup though, I'm going to trade way more aggressive. Way more aggressive. Keep that in mind. So the main plays I will share are my 0 to Hero challenge account trades on stream. Golden Bull, is it 10 micros and 2 minis or is it 10 micros or 2 minis? It is 10 micros or 2 minis. It makes no sense to be in 2 minis and 10 micros. Come on. If you trade more than that, if you go over the contract limit, it will fill you, but it will get reset to 0 at the end of the day. So don't do it. It's stupid. Some of the people on the leaderboard have done that. All right, gold holding this fair value gap, which is nice. Very nice. My ultimate target for this gold trade is 4,044.5. Actually, I need to adjust my TP here. Wait. 44. Yeah, 44.5. There we go. So we're currently up 6 points on gold. Let's see. Jayhawk says, scalping on Grand Cup account, Nick, if trading minis? No, I traded as usual. My first milestone target is just to get the account to 5k in profit, because then I can switch to 5 minis. And that's gonna be nice. That is gonna be nice. Durr is saying, Mr. Rundown on your gold trade. Could you recap, set up an entry? Yeah, sure. So basically, I entered at, let me check, 110 here. I'll show you. 110, I entered at 26. Actually, no, 25. Gonna mark it on chart so you can see it better. 44. There you go. So basically, on the 4 hour, we had a nice, very nice candle 2 closure, right? We swept this previous 4 hour low and closed within its previous range. Also took out previous day low, which is perfect. Then started pushing up, and on the hourly, got change of state of delivery right here at 4015.4. Retested the fair value gap, and once we got that retest, I then took my entry on gold long with a stop below the 50% equilibrium of the previous hourly candle. Dominic says, how does the buffer work? Once you get to 5K, does it auto liquidate you or count against you once you go under 55K? No, it's just that on the 55K you can't, you can only trade with 2 minis, and above 55K you can trade with 5 minis. GHXST Trader, are the 3 resets free? Not sure. I think the resets cost $35. I'm not 100% sure though. NQ pushing up right now. Yeah, I see it. Roy. Brooklyn 2 fit. No, I didn't mean 20 micros or 2 minis. It is 10 micros or 2 minis. Make sure, guys, like with these kind of things, come on, I don't want to sound arrogant or anything, but it is not that hard to read the FAQ, guys. It is not that hard. Just go on the Tradeify.co help center, type in Grand Cup, go to competition guide, and you will see everything here. All right, here, position size starts at 2 minis, 10 micros. Okay, 2 minis, 10 micros. Just read the FAQ, please. Don't make stupid mistakes, guys. That's weird, Taco Trader. You should be able to trade gold. I'm able to trade gold. Let's see. Bull Invest, reach out to support if it's not possible for you. It's weird. Blue, will the cup affect the 0 to hero challenge? Nope, not at all. Trade that separately. I know Rocket Trades futures people are lazy. I know. All right, I have my stop sitting at 29.9 on gold, so I'm probably gonna get stopped out here. I'm happy that I moved, that I took one off. That was good. Dominic, yeah, that's allowed. Do whatever you want. GG, you have 2 NQ and 2 GC long though. What should I say? You're gonna be reset to 0 at the end of the day. Congrats. All right, I did just get taken out of my gold position. So on the Grand Cup account, I'm currently up $927. Nice. Nice. Suriluki, what day do I play squash? This week, Thursday. It's always another day. Nick, question. Can someone tell me how to close a trade partially? Well, if you're in 2 minis, you just switch your size to 1, for example, and you close 1. So if you're in a long, you press sell. If you're in a short, you press buy. Ooh, nasty gold. Nasty. Is it going to bounce here, guys? Is it going to bounce here? Maybe, but whatever. Let's see. Web3, I trade the fractal model, T-Trade's fractal model, and this is the fractal model indicator. Rocket Trades Futures, yeah, I trade 1 to 2 minis on every trade. On this gold long, I started with 1 mini and then added a second one. Nins, do I still backtest my strategy from time to time, or no, I'm just reviewing my trades. Ally Mind, can you trade gold with Tradeify? Yes, absolutely. Pip Hunter, is the daily loss limit always 2,000 or does it increase? Let's say I make 5k today. It's an end of day drawdown. Let's actually look it up really quick. Again, go to Help Center, type Grand Cup. Go into competition guides, and you will see trailing drawdown, 2,000 end of day. Let's see. Not 100% sure though, honestly. If it gets reset to 0. Nope. Here. During the knockout round, once your end of day balance exceeds 52,000, it permanently locks at 50,000 and stops trailing. So if you make 10,000 today, tomorrow your drawdown will be 10,000. It's all in the FAQ. It's all in the FAQ. Yeah, Brooklyn. By the end of the day, a lot of people will not be disqualified, but they will be reset to 0 because they went over the contract limit. It's so dumb. Rocky Trades Future says, Brett said if anyone goes over contract limit, they will be disqualified. Oh, okay. Then that's some updated rule. Then they will be disqualified, I guess. Yeah, end of day, Brooklyn. Nin says, new week, still no co-host. This confirms my assumption that the co-host is an AI. Well, look, Nins, we were ready, okay? Celine is ready. I am ready. Damien, the producer, was ready. But then 20 minutes before the show, Damien goes like, hey, guys, we had an update of the software over the weekend. And that completely messed everything up. And I can't add you guys to the scene. So we got to run without Celine. Very soon, though. Very soon. We're ready, guys. She's ready. Probably tomorrow. Let's see. Scenic says, I'm just waiting for my setup on ES. I had my best trading day ever on Friday, where I took 5 successful trades in ES, so might as well see if it treats me well again. Nice. Yeah, just wait for your A+ setups. Camille, honestly, I asked myself the same. But then on the other end, it's like, come on. Just stick to the rules. Cyriluki, Celine is my co-host for the London session in the future. What does not advancing means in status written in front of some traders? Jayhawk, that is just if you're not in the top 200, you will not advance. So if you're currently not in the top 200, it says not advancing. Extraordinary cave trader? Soon, don't worry. Yeah, Rocky, I agree with you. It is easy to follow what he stated. I don't know why people just don't read. If you can't even read the Grand Cup rules and you can't even read Help Center infos, you shouldn't trade, honestly. Just how it is. Dominic says, let's look at the team's leaderboard, Nick. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Tradeify.co/leaderboard always gives you the current leaderboard. Updates every 10 minutes, I think. Select team. Well, what team are we going to choose? Obviously, Team TV. See? Let's see. TV is currently rank 15. Rank 15. Lots of people have not even traded yet. Let's see where we're at. Ooh. Brett is up $1,200. Nice. Rebecca is up 1,700. Oh, this shit is so sick with the leaderboards, guys. This is fire. Hey, Signs, I see you. I see you. Right behind you here. I'm right behind you. Currently up. Hey, where did it go? Currently up $927 on my end. Who else we got? This shit is so sick, guys. The Grand Cup is already so much fun. Hey, Ozempic, what's up, man? $489. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Who else we got? A few OGs. Pavel, I see you. 190. Nice. All right, many of you haven't even traded yet. All right. Interesting, guys. Interesting. Very excited. Grand Cup's fire already. Yeah, Nins. But two things on that. First of all, they are very likely that they have traded with more than 2 minis. So they will be disqualified. And second of all, in the first stage, you don't have to be the first. It doesn't matter. The only thing you have to do is be in the top 200. Even if you're ranked 199 or even 200, it does not matter. Just aim for the top 200. That should be our strategy for Team Tradeify TV. JK1, my realized profit is $920 on the Grand Cup account so far. I only took one trade on gold. Suriluki, that probably will be updated. JK1, can you trade all day? Yeah, as long as the markets are open, you can trade. Yeah, Camille, 100%. 100%. Yes, setting up for a nice long here, by the way. Once this 30-minute candle closes. Let's see. Reminder, guys, we need 365 likes. Make sure you smash the like button. Get us to 365. We're 372 people watching, so easy target. Marius, nope. The teams are locked now. You can't choose your team anymore. So you're going solo. Avishal, you're number 5 on Team Tradeify TV. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Kingdom Wanderer says, Nick, I'm sorry I'm not on Team Tradeify TV. Don't ban me. You know what? You will get timed out right now. Right now. Get a 10-second timeout. Think about what you did. Earringal, what is that indicator called again? Hey, you get the gold medal. One more time. TTFN Pro Plus. You're already back, Kingdom. Don't worry. Mercedes, am I in a trade? Nope, right now I'm waiting. Yo, what's up, cheese balls? How are you doing? Gold actually setting up for shorts now. Okay. Okay, I'm glad I took one off here. I was literally 0.4 away from my TP. It reversed and I took one off, and the other one I closed break even. So $920. I'm glad I did that. Lewis, yep. Grand Cup has nothing to do with your other Tradeify accounts. Nicholas, yeah, same thing there. Ooh, nice push on NQ and ES. Ooh. Vince, what do I use for SMT on gold? XIU USD. Nice push on NQ and ES here. This is setting up for some really nice longs here once this 30-minute candle closes. The only thing I don't like about it is that we're right below beep up. That is not too good. What's beep up? VWAP. At Tradeify TV we call it beep up. Aurora, good morning. Fun with folds, you got a break even. Well, then doesn't matter. On to the next one. Break even is always better than a loss. Keep that in mind. Let's see, I'm refreshing the light count. We're currently sitting at 213, guys. 213. Nice. This 30-minute candle closed in 1 minute and 44 seconds. Fingro, I literally just answered that. Yes, I do. Just Paul. Good morning. DJ 2000, can you purchase an eval funded account and get free entry to Grand Cup, or is it not possible now? Yeah, you can. You can register for Grand Cup until November 7th. Manfred, you're short gold, 4,036. Nice, you're up 10 points. How many contracts? Yep, DJ 2000, still free entry. Until November 7th. Graphene says, I regret trading Asia session. Well, well, well. All right, in 13 seconds, we close the 30-minute candle on ES. That is a perfect long setup. We're gonna have SMT on NQ versus ES. So I'm not gonna enter it right away, but I do like it. Look, if we switch this to bullish bias, we can see the setup right there. I would want to see a down wick first and then a push up to take this trade. Same thing here, it should give us SMT. Yeah, there you go. What's YM doing, by the way? I see. All right. So I'm currently looking for longs on NQ and ES. Would prefer a down wick first. Otherwise I can't take this trade. Hikari, what is SMT? Well, the easiest explanation is correlated assets when one takes out the low and the other one doesn't. So for example, right here, you see ES took out this previous low, NQ did not. That's what you call an SMT. Web3 says, sir, as I'm logging into my trading competition account, my old account is also getting logged in. Yeah, they're the same login. Doesn't matter though. It doesn't matter. Hey, Market Maker Mario, what's up, man? Says JPX's culture days, so their market's closed. I still haven't decided to trade the cup or not, since I've done so well on my personal last month. Not sure if it's worth it for me. That's fair. That's very fair. I mean, you could treat it as a rage account, you know. So for example, let's say you want to take a trade on your personal, but you know it's not an A+ setup, so you just take it on the Grand Cup account instead. Because if you lose, it doesn't matter. Let's see, gold still pushing down here, respecting the fair value gap on the 3 minute. I'm glad I got out, honestly. Very glad I got out. Ba-ba-ba. 365 likes, guys, to do a giveaway. Currently sitting at 237. 237. Shit, it's so fun to see the Grand Cup leaderboard get updated in almost real time. That's so fire. Yeah, Ozempic, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. I do like the shorts for platinum, actually. PL. I do like the shorts there. I did just enter a platinum short on my Grand Cup account, by the way, guys. 1 mini only, though. Stop is going to be at 10. Actually 11. Why? Because London swept Asia high. Had a 30-minute close, changed state of delivery, retested 50% equilibrium, reacted to it, so I entered the short. Let's see. So we're looking now up to journaling dinner as well. I had raclette yesterday. Damn, ill. Get well soon. Get well soon. Jayhawk, no, I'm not taking 2 minis on every trade. It also depends what asset I'm trading. You know, right now when I'm trading platinum, I mean, I only trade it with 1 mini because otherwise it gets me wrecked very fast. Target would be above, actually here, 50% equilibrium, so like 596. It's a bit of a risky play because the buys right now is bullish on platinum. And Q is holding beep up for now. ES is not even there yet. I still want to see a reaction candle from one of these fair value gaps. So I'm waiting. Waiting. As I said, Zuriluki, I had raclette. NQ pushing now. Yes, as well. Kind of want to take longs, but I wanted a retest first and I didn't get that retest, so I can't enter that. Ill, which team is in first? You can always go and check out the leaderboard by going to tradeify.co/leaderboard. You will always see the leaderboard there. But honestly, it doesn't matter at this point. The only thing that matters is that you get into the top 200. Suriluki, yeah, the cheese. Hell yeah. Alright, Platinum pushing down now. As said, on Platinum, I'm in one mini short on the Grand Cup account. You know what? I can actually mark the trade here visually so you can see it. Had a pretty shitty entry. I got filled at a point where price wasn't even there yet. So 96.1 is my target right here. This is my trade on Platinum, Grand Cup account. One mini. NQ is still getting held back by Beep Up. Jayhawk says, Nick, I'm in your team. We have to give it all in to win. Hell yeah, man. We will win. Don't worry. We will win. Rocky Trades Futures, you're up $2,325 on your cup account. Hell yeah, man. Nice. The cool thing is we can always check bullshitters. We can always check bullshitters. I love that. Let me pull it up. So let's go to Team TV. But I believe you, Rocky, obviously. I believe you. I want to see what rank you are, though, on the team. Loading data. There we go. All right, so on the team, you are... Wait, you said you are up 2,000? Wait, 2,325. 2,325? Where are you at, man? Probably didn't update you yet. Or you're not in Team Tradeify TV. You're not here yet. Oh, strong. Song is strong. Up 6,300 already. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's good. Restore trading it as it is your own money. That makes sense. That makes sense. You can be a bit more aggressive though. Yeah, 100% Ozempic. Like the more traders of our team that can get into the top 200, the better. Everything else doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. JB, I trade the 3-minute, 30-minute and the 5-minute 1 hour for the fractal model. All right, we did tap into this fair value gap now on ES and on NQ, and we're reacting to it. So if you get a 3-minute bullish candle, I will enter a long here on ES. Yes, Marco. Trailing drawdown stops at 52K. Jayhawk, does not advancing means disqualified? No, it just means you're not in the top 200 yet. Only the top 200 advances. Mo, do you restart balance from 50K in week 2? Yeah. Once the top 200 are in. All right, let's see. I like the longs on ES, not gonna lie. What the fuck? There we go. Waiting for this 3-minute candle closure, taking a long now. Also long one on the Grand Cup account. So this is on the 0 to Hero challenge account and my fundeds. Long one mini on ES. Targeting these highs here. Shall go to 96. All right. All right, all right, all right. Sorry, I have to set everything up here really quick. Trading my Grand Cup account, trading my funded, trading everything at the same time. Damn. $3.5. All right, there we go. Everything's set up now. 6884 was our entry. Ooh, platinum. Platinum about to stop us out here. Damn it. Platinum about to stop us out. Hopefully not. That would be ugly. Well, at least the ES trade is not doing too bad. But platinum will most likely stop us out here on the Grand Cup account. What a reaction. Damn. $6884.25. Sorry, I just want to mark this visually on the chart as well. 84.25 was our entry. 75 our stop. We're targeting this high right here, 96. All right, there we have it. Now you can see all my trades. Surab, why did I choose ES over NQ? Because ES did take out the low and started pushing. I prefer that. Taco Trader, yeah, platinum is tradable. I am trading platinum right now on the Grand Cup. Absolutely, it is tradable. Oh, maybe it holds this level. Interesting. So on our 0 to Hero challenge account and our funded account, we're risking $175 to make 587 potentially. Let's see. Ooh, platinum is holding. Platinum is holding. Nice. Would be nice if both works out. I wouldn't be against that, to be honest. I would not be against that. Now on ES, we just need to push through beep up. Push through beep up and we're good. So I'm currently in 2 trades at the same time. 1 platinum short and 1 ES long. Risto, no, I'm only in 2 positions in the Grand Cup right now. As said, 1 mini ES, 1 mini platinum. Yes, PPX trades. Once your account is at 5k in profit, you can trade with 5 minis. Up to 5 minis. Let's see. OP, you need to choose simulation. And yes, the instruction was in the mail. Simulation is what you want to choose. Trader guy, what is MNQ? Micros. Nasdaq micros. Graphene says, don't chase leaderboards, just chase profits. Yep, absolutely. And especially go aim for the top 200. That's all you got to do. Aim for the top 200. You're going to be fine. Don't aim to be number 1. Don't aim to brag on Twitter. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is being in the top 200. Worry about going to number 1 once we're in the knockout stage. Then yes. Cheeseballs, Nick, can you explain why 2 minis and only 10 micros, not 20 micros? Honestly, I don't know. It's just the rules. Stick to that. I don't know. ES still holding beep up. NQ already pushed through. So let's see. Platinum is also holding this level. What is my TP on ES? My TP on ES is going to be 6896. 6896. I hope that beep up doesn't hold us down. That would be annoying. That would be very annoying. I'm positive about this trade though. Especially with this 4-hour candle sweep, the hourly candle sweep, the 30-minute candle sweep. It's looking promising. It's looking promising. Yes, PPX, you can trade YM in the Grand Cup. NQ is pushing through. Let's see if it takes ES with it. This level is going to be significant here, the 888. By the way, guys, where are we at with the like count? Let me refresh really quick. Again, we need 365 likes to do a giveaway. Currently, we are at 282. 282. We need 83 more, guys. 83 more likes. and we get to do a giveaway. Vince, my stop loss on ES is at 880.75 below this swing low, and target is 6896, just above Asia highs. Rohan, the daily drawdown is 2k, so how does it help when it gets locked, Nick? So once you're at more than 2k, the buffer increases. So if you're at 3k, you have a 3k drawdown now. If you have 4k, you have a 4k drawdown now. Ali Akbar, my profit on the Grand Cup so far realized is $900. 940 actually. I'm currently in 2 trades. I'm in 1 platinum trade and 1 ES trade. Platinum is currently losing, ES is making money, so I'm pretty much break even across these 2 trades. What about gold? Gold is consolidating right now, so I'm not interested. Not interested. Rocky, what is your username for the Grand Cup? Because right now I can't see you on the leaderboard. Nice push on ES and NQ. We're making money here, guys. Hell yeah. All right, we're at 2R right now, so we're moving break even on our funded and 0 to hero challenge account. And then at 3R, I will move to 2R. Actually, at 2.5R, I will move to 2R, sorry. So 6893. 6893 is what we need. Rocky, your username is Rocky. I don't see you in the leaderboard though. Are you on Team Tradeify TV? Or are you on a different team? Or are you solo? Because I don't see you, man. So far, I do not see you. You would be, technically with this balance, you would be number 8 on Team Tradeify TV, but you're nowhere to be seen. Oh, I see, you're on a different team. Hey, betrayal, betrayal. You get a timeout for 10 seconds. Betrayal. Boom, timed out. Yeah, Leia, I fucking hate oil. Fuck that shit. Kingdom Wonder, you're up 4k on Grand Cup? Hell yeah. Are you at least on Team Tradeify TV? No, you're not. Unless your name is Tam. Sierra, you can't join the team anymore. It's over. That locked in yesterday. Unfortunately. You cannot join the team anymore. Come on, yes, hold beep up and push up. We're at 335 likes, guys. 30 more. 30 more. Worst case, by the way, on that ES trade, we hit break even on our 0 to hero challenge account and funded accounts. So, Grand Cup, I'll let it ride. Rocket Trades futures, all good, man. Just joking around. Scenics, cool man. Cool. It's actually pretty sick, guys. If you go on your, if you log in on Tradeify.co and you go to your Grand Cup dashboard, you will see your individual stats, which is pretty sick. Look, you can see where you're at in the overall competition, what rank you're at. And then you can also see what rank you are on your team. It's pretty fire. You can share your ranking and you get this sick graphic here. Reminder guys, UK 9 AM volume is coming in 2 minutes and 3 seconds. The Quoted Live says, is Nick going to win the Grand Cup? Yeah, hopefully. I would take that 200 grand. Not a problem. It's going to be a tough competition though. There's some really good traders. Whoever wins this competition is just like, honestly, that just deserves it. OP, if you have a problem with the platform, make sure you reach out to support. Let's see. All right, we're getting stopped out of this platinum trade most likely, as it looks like. But ES could hold here, which would be nice. If we get stopped out on both, that would suck. Not gonna lie. 11 twice. What's the highest current balance? Just go to the leaderboard, man. It updates every 10 minutes. Easy. Easy. All right, chat. Let's see what happens here in 3 seconds. All right, I did get stopped out of this platinum trade, by the way. Minus 300. I only took that on the Grand Cup account, though, so it doesn't matter. We're up 150 on ES. Really hoping for this push to 6896. Actually, you know what? ES, I'm gonna add one now. Because now I'm only in 2 minis again. So I'm in 2 minis on ES. On the Grand Cup account. I still like the trade. Still like the trade. Pavel. The ticker for platinum is PLF. PLF. Yeah, where are we at with the like goal? Let's see. 344. Damn, guys. 21 more. Come on. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. GHXST trader, how much dollars am I risking on the cup account per trade? Depends on the setup, but depends on the instrument. I mean, the gold trade that I took this morning, I risked, what, like 7.8 points? So 7.8, like $1,400. We're full putting that shit if we see A+ setups. Scenics, you're short on ES. You faded me? Damn, man. Can't do that. Come on. Come on. This is candle 2 on the hourly setup. Dude, this is like a perfect setup. You're doing yourself a disservice here. I hope I'm right. I hope I'm right. Let's see. Just refreshing the like count. We need... oh, actually we hit it, guys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Traded then. No, I'm not in gold. You can always see when I'm in a position. Just look at my screen. I'm not in this anymore. I'm still in this. The year got stopped out. So I'm currently in one trade. ES with 2 minis on the Grand Cup account and 1 mini on the 0 to Hero Challenge account as well as my funded accounts. Oh, Platinum did us 30 here. Damn. 30 dirty. Now it's gonna drop. Watch. Watch, watch, watch. All right, guys, shall we do the giveaway? Should we? Majid says, hello, Nick. On October 9th, I won 50k in advance account, but I haven't received anything because I live in Morocco. Okay. I think the reason you didn't receive anything is because your email address is not in your YouTube channel description. You have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Once you add that, you will receive your account. As simple as that. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. All you gotta do is, if you want to take part in this giveaway, oh, Zempic, I see you. You have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I give you guys the link to the Google form, Marco Make Mario, I see you. Fill that form out, but only do it once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. Here's the form. I pasted 5 times in the chat. You can't miss it. Fill it out only once. Scenics, you're getting wrecked here. The longs are gonna take your stops. Come on. Nice. ES pushing up. Love that. Come on, ES. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. We need the 93 level to move our stop to 2R, which is at 89.75. Up to that point, we're chilling. As said, like 0 to Hero challenge account, as well as my fundeds, I trade them as usual, very, very safe. I already have my stop at break even. For the Grand Cup account, we let it rip, baby. That's what we do. Mitchell trades. The Grand Cup is 2 minis or 10 micros. 2 minis or 10 micros. Read the FAQ, guys. Come on, it's not that hard. It is not that hard. Rocket Trades Future says, I broke back into the top 400, sitting at 385. Hell yeah, man. Rocket Trades Futures. Fire. Fire. I'm currently up 1,000 on the Grand Cup account. Nice push up on ES here. Very nice. That's what we wanted. That's what we needed. Let's see. Nice push on ES. We need 93 to move our stop to 2R. Nice push up here on ES. We're at 92. We need 93 to move to 2R. Good start on the 0 to Hero challenge account so far for this week. Tony, you're in the top 3,000. Nice. Very nice. Nice, Phoenix. That's good. That's very good. Yeah, it's all about risk management. Nothing wrong with being wrong. There was just no reason to go short there. At least for me. Come on, give us 93 here. At 93, we will be up 3R. No, Trader Guy, you got eliminated from the Grand Cup already? Time to reset. Time to reset. All right, we hit 3R, so we're gonna move our stop to 2R here on our Zero to Hero Challenge account and our funded accounts. Worst case, we make $262 on the Zero to Hero account. Hell yeah, nice. Good start to the week. Full TP will be at 6896. 6896. But this is a profitable trade, confirmed. Very nice. Worst case, we get stopped out for 2R. 7 points. Actually, you know what? That's not true. Our stop is at 1.5R. Sorry, not 2R. My bad. Where's 2R in this trade? Damn. Oh, here is 2R. I see. I'll leave it at 1.5. Chat, you have 17 more seconds to fill out the Google form. Let's see who wins the 50k growth account. All right, let's pick a winner for our giveaway here. 50k growth account goes to, let me copy everybody over to the form, to the wheel of names. The winner of the 50k growth account is... Who's lucky? Oh shit. BA Humbug W4Q7W. Okay. Hell no. What kind of name is that? Make sure you add something, type something in the chat really quick so I can see you're there. I need to see you there. We're currently up $730 on our trade on the Grand Cup account. I'm actually going to take one off here. So I did realize $437 in profit on the Grand Cup account. And I'm still in with one mini. So where is Buck? Did he type something? Hey, here he is. Thanks for tagging me. That makes it so much easier for me to see you. Great work, Buck. Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your account. I already forwarded your details to the team, so we will reach out to you shortly. Congrats. Nice, nice, nice. Alrighty, yes, come. Push further. Resilient Trader, you're up 2 grand on the Grand Cup. Nice. Well done. Well done. We're still in this trade, guys. Still in this with 1 minute on ES. Final TP is 6896. Very nice trade. Good start to the week, guys. Corrupt 68, nice. You're up $1,000 on the Grand Cup. Hell yeah. Let's get it for Team Tradeify TV. See. Right, need a little bit of a push now on ES to reach 96. That is when I exit with my funded accounts as well as my zero to hero account. But my stop is in profit anyway, so either way, we make money. Moving my stop to 2R now. 2R is 7 points at 91.25. Oh shit. Come on. So our stop is now at 2R in profit. Worst case, we make $350. 350. Very nice. Very, very nice. Nice, Market Maker Mario. Well done. Well done. Currently up $1,300 on the Grand Cup account. Let's see where this journey takes us. Who else is in this trade with me, guys? Who else took that ES long? It's a nice move. Currently up 10 points. Take that any day. Kata's trades, I have 2 spotlights on my face. Yeah, that's the sun. It's like in my blinds, there's like 1 or 2 holes. It literally blinds me. It's funny. Oh shit, I just looked into the sun. Ow. Ow. Nice, guys. Lots of you are in this trade. Love it. Love to see it. That's awesome. Brooklyn to fit, you're up $128. Well, that's still up. That is still up. Up is up. All right, come on. Yes, just one final push. Just one final push. Rob, almost 2,000 on the Zero to Hero challenge account. At 1,900 now. 1,900. Sean, future trades. Yes, it is. Actually, daylight savings has ended. That's what it is. But yeah, the time has changed. Come on, yes, one final push. Market Maker Mario, when does elimination start next week? So is Sunday included with Monday close? I'm gathering. Let's check out the FAQ. All these things, like, whenever you're unsure, just pull up the FAQ. But let's see. I'll go and do it right now. There we go. So, stage 1 is until November 14th. Basically, in week 1, all participants continue to week 2, right? And then in week 2, the bottom 30% are eliminated daily, starting from November 9th. So yeah, starting from Sunday 6 p.m. That's when that starts. Yeah, Sunday open, Monday close is one day. Absolutely, Market Maker Mario. That is right. Currently I'm on an ES trade. Oh, we're about to hit TP here. We're very close. Actually moving my stop up here to 2.5 R now. Worst case, we make $437. Best case, we make 587. Mach 5, no you can't. You can only do 2 minis or 10 micros. You cannot do it at the same time. You will get disqualified. Just read the FAQ. All right, come on. One final push, yes. One final push so we can shoot the money gun. We need that money gun. I already got it in my hand, guys. Already got it in my hand. Come on. One final push, yes. One final push. Oh, that was close. That was close. Nasty. Come on. One final push. Give us that money. Give us that money. We did get filled on our visual TP, but not yet on the actual trade. I hate when that happens. Come on. Come on. Hey, there we go, guys. Money gone. Hell yeah. Congrats, everybody who was in this trade. We just banked 12 points. 12 points on ES. Nice, 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 nice. That's what we like. This is what we like. All right. Currently, we're up $1,400 in the Grand Cup account. We are up $580 in the Zero to Hero account, as well as my funded accounts. So total balance for Zero to Hero right now is 51,971, which is nice. We're getting there slowly, but we're getting there. Let's look at the leaderboard really quick for the Grand Cup. Actually, my stat here. So I'm currently rank. Oh wait, it hasn't updated yet. I need for it to update because I'm up $1,435. I should be rank 5 now on the team. Let's see once it updates. We gotta win this, team. We gotta win this. All right. I'll refresh in the background and then I'll let you know once it updates. That was a nice trade. Good start to the week. Good start to the week. I'll take that anytime. Damn, platinum pumped here. Sheesh. Business lens, no, the Grand Cup resets, they cost money. Otherwise, I would have fully full ported. Oh shit, yeah. Now I'm on the screen again. Thanks. Thanks, Pavel. All2, what is the logic behind my entry? Well, we got a 30-minute candle sweep of the low, half SMT, divergence with NQ. We got a 30-minute change in state of delivery. We have a retest of a fair value gap. I took the entry after we reacted out of this fair value gap, set the stop below, and targeted this little candle high here. All right, my stats just got updated. There we go. Let's see. So I'm rank 846 right now across the entire cup. And what else? Oh, on Team TV, rank 28. Oh, you guys all took that trade with me. Oh shit. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's awesome. That is awesome, awesome. So let's see. I want to see the stats of the teams really quick. Guys, this shit is so exciting to me. I love it. Fucking love this. So Team TV, let's see what the stats are right now. Our best trader right now is at 4,300. Nam, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Idris Platinum stopped me out. So I took an L on this. That's okay though, because we banked with the S. We banked. Let's see. All right, rank 28. My next target is rank 20. We're above Brett now. I want to be on the first page though of our team, so rank 20, come on. That's the next target. And then obviously my big next milestone is get to 5K in profit so I can start trading 5 minis. That's gonna make it nice. Currently Team TV is right in the middle. Right in the middle. We're rank 14 out of 27. So let's see. So interesting, guys. This is already super fun. I love this competition already. This is so sick. Damn, NQ keeps pushing. Sheesh. Through Asia highs. Let's see if this is one of those days where it just keeps pumping. And the New York session we open and we go like, yeah, should have held this. Now we're 100 points higher, 200 points higher. Let's see. JK1, you're rank 10? Damn, nice. Rank 10 on Team Tradeify TV. That's what's up. Love to see it. Good to see us all win, guys. That's how we need to start these competitions. 11 twice. Yeah, if a Tradeify employee wins this, the rigged allegations are never going to stop. But hey, I tell you what, we will win this. It's my mission to win this. Sid, am I still looking for more trades or am I done for the session? With the Grand Cup account, I will potentially take more trades. With 0 to Hero, I'm very happy. Taking a $580 win. I mean, look at this. Right now, the 0 to Hero challenge account is up $1,971. We have a 100% win rate. Yeah, I couldn't ask for more, honestly. It's a great start to the week. Last week we banked 1,389. This week 581. So episode 2 or version 2 of the 0 to Hero challenge is going way better than version 1. Let's see. I'm not looking to take any more trades though on 0 to Hero. Saturday, as soon as you reach 5K, you can trade 5 minis. The Business Lens says, I'm sorry, I feel all ICT traders are stupid and don't know a thing. Cool, man. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about ICT. I don't give a shit about ICT haters, lovers, whatever. I just trade. I focus on myself. I focus on my P&L. Whatever your fucking system is called. Who cares? Just make money. Root for each other. Retail traders root for retail traders. Everything else doesn't matter. Let's make money together. Cheeseballs, I think it's directly after you have realized P&L. I mean, it would make sense. Yeah, guys, I think I'm done for this session. This was a great session, honestly. Very nice trade, very happy with it. Took 12 points on ES with a 3.5 point stop, so that's a 3.3 R. Up $570 on all my funded accounts as well as my 0 to Hero challenge account. So very, very happy with this. So if you enjoyed this session, guys, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you put a W in the chat. If you didn't like this session, then put an L in the chat. When I say session, I mean this live stream. But definitely appreciate you all watching. Definitely appreciate you all being here. Love you all. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the New York stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And then, of course, tomorrow again for another London session stream at 8 a.m. UK time. All right. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I'll see you later. Peace out.